At a cost of $52 million, DSU and the state of Utah spared no expense at making the new Science, Engineering, and Technology, or SET Building, a state-of-the-art facility that will last for years to come.
To me, there's no better way to celebrate homecoming than welcoming yet another academic home to our campus. And what a significant addition this is to our campus. This new $52 million engineering and technology building holds over 120,000 square feet, 8 general classrooms, 28 state-of-the-art laboratories in engineering, biology, chemistry, geology, and others, over 40 individual offices, 4 conference rooms, other open office spaces, and many more specialized spaces, as you'll see.
During a special ribbon cutting and dedication ceremony, College Dean Eric Pedersen became emotional over the realization of what has transpired after years of his own dedication and knowing this would one day become reality.
I've had a few decades working at Dixie State University. I can remember when we brought the first internet connections to campus. I can remember crawling under buildings and through tunnels to connect the old science building to the internet.
Located near the center of campus, the new SET building was intentionally designed to have great lighting and views, while at the same time house those who will become future scientists, engineers, and eventually help lead the tech industry.
We designed a building with state-of-the-art equipment where students don't just learn by sitting in a classroom. The experiences they will gain extend far beyond the classroom and emphasize our mottos of create, make, and innovate.
Its real purpose is to create transformative learning experiences for students so that they're career ready in the jobs that they want to go into. And industry needs them desperately. And so this will increase our capacity to meet industry's needs for programmers, developers, designers, engineers, biochem talent, and all the talent needs that industry has.
Pedersen said that in Utah there are about 6,500 tech companies, all of which need talent. A quick tour of the facility, which is already in use, showcases what it provides.
We have a lot more space, and that makes a difference in being able to bring in a lot more equipment. Like we didn't have a machine shop before, so now we do, and that's huge for especially our senior students being able to make their ideas. Over here we've got a wind tunnel that's big for our fluid mechanics course, and so the students can see what they're learning, see it with their eyes, put in samples and play with it.
Those who are already attending Dixie State in these fields are excited about what this new building brings to campus and learning opportunities.
We are able to work side by side with our professors, learning machinery and prototyping, touring local manufacturing facilities, and experiencing firsthand what it looks like to be an engineer in southern Utah.
Ever since the new Science, Engineering, and Technology building opened, you can feel the excitement from all the students and faculty and staff. I can already see how the labs and equipments have elevated my education experience.
Those who worked over the past 2 years in the development and design of this building are proud of the final product, as well as those who supported them.
It was, as Dean Pedersen mentioned, just 2 years ago this month that I was sitting on this same stage, poised just a little that direction, waiting the groundbreaking for the new, much-awaited Science, Engineering, Technology building. I could never have imagined the magnitude of such a spectacular and functional facility.
A second ribbon cutting expressed gratitude for those who donated money to the cause. Classrooms inside are named after several key donors.
We've had generous donations. I'd like to recognize Ray and Melzi Ganowski, the owners of Ram Company and Intergalactic, whose donation named the first floor labs, the classrooms, and the engineering wing. I also want to thank Brian McCann, who's the CEO of Intergalactic, and Greg Robinson, the CEO of Ram Company, for their support in making this happen.
The money came from a number of different pools. The first pool was the legislature. They came in with $50 million. There were some on-campus budgets that we've been saving that helped provide another chunk and pool of money. as well as donors. Donors came in and really stepped up to help us build state-of-the-art facilities and equipment.
What a great day it is to be a trailblazer. Thank you.
And the reflective view from atop the new copper-bordered SET building was also by design and one of a kind.
The copper will patina in southern Utah to become a darker brown, and it's a beautiful look and is kind of a showcase piece for the rest of campus. It's just a beautiful, I think St. George is a beautiful valley. So my favorite places are on those top decks at the top of the building.
From Dixie State University, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.